G'day YouTube. And this ghostly effect that you see around here is caused by a little crack in the screen that has a hairline fracture right across the lens of the selfie camera of my phone, which means that in order not to be annoying to you guys, I'll have to switch to recording with the other camera, the camera on the other side. I'm reluctant to do 4K videos. I think that's a bit arrogant and excessive. You don't really need that. And you guys are downloading it at the other end. Please excuse me swatting flies as well. It's very close to summer here in Australia. It's not officially summer until December, but yeah. But I do have a story. Oh yeah, right now I'm on the way to fix the little crack in the screen. Hopefully the people at the local shopping centre can replace it. They normally fix all sorts of things phone wise, and I hope they don't have a lineup of people. Hope they can do it really quickly too, if they do it. So yeah, story. I went up to Strathalbyn as the racecourse, Strathalbyn Racecourse. There was a race a couple of days ago, and the job that I had to do was picking up chairs and tables and all the umbrellas and bringing them back to the depot, the warehouse from the company that I was working for. And it took an hour and a half to drive there and an hour and a half to drive back in this really old truck that struggles to go uphill and things like that. But while we were there, there were so many flies, it was insane. You could not turn your head without seeing at least 20 flies sitting on random surfaces and boxes. See this ghosting effect here? You can see it a lot clearer now. And I know that I shouldn't highlight the flaws in a video quality and all that sort of stuff, but I just wanted to let you know that I am telling the truth here. So there's a whole heap of flies. I've never seen so many ladybugs in my life. They're usually quite rare, and now they're just hundreds of them. We had to put these umbrellas into bags, and I'd look down at the pile of umbrellas on the ground in bags, and there were just swarms of ladybugs. It was insane. But yeah, and then we had like about 20 flies get caught in the truck on the way home, which caused a problem for the driver, obviously. We got rid of most of them, but there's at least one or two flying around, and we saw an accident on the way home as well. So the car was actually like on its roof. You can imagine it was completely flipped on its roof. So I don't know what hit it. It didn't appear to be damaged, it just appeared to be flipped. So I hope that the driver was okay. You couldn't see the other vehicle or whatever else had hit it, but pays to be safe on the streets. And anyway, this is a little bit too long, but and it's also 33 degrees Celsius, so it's quite hot. A lot of flies around, but I'll catch you in the next video, hopefully with some good news.